What I've made for my two-door JL Wrangler is for the high lift jack, no one makes one that mounts to the roll bar inside a hardtop. Up in the Northeast, if you drive around, we get a lot of road salt, and if you leave your jack outside, it's gonna rust. And I didn't want that, and why would you want to have your jack outside all the time where it's in the elements? So what I've done is I made a mount to mount the high lift jack and a DeWalt 20-volt battery powered chainsaw. And on the one side it bolts to the roll bar using the two factory, I think they're for the soft top mounts, and it's just a flat piece of aluminum plate. On the other side I used a piece of angle iron, and I used a piece of channel iron also to make a mount to hold the far end. And this is a 48-inch high lift jack. And all you do, I grab it and slide it onto the one pin here, onto the bolt on this side. And I put a bolt on this side here. It's got a pin up top that it holds onto, and a bolt and a nut on the bottom so that it can't come down out of here. And by mounting it this way, it's up and out of the way. And with the chainsaw mounted right next to it, actually I'll show you on the chainsaw, I drilled two holes in the bar. One is an original hole and the lower one is an additional hole so that I can just bolt this to my mount. In the Northeast, some of our trails have trees that come across them, so you just sometimes need to remove a tree. And the chainsaw is just held on with two wing nuts by the bar. And throw a bungee cord around this end here so it doesn't rattle, and that's pretty much it. And when you close the window, you can see it clears the windows shock without any problem. So that's what I came up with. And you can also see there's plenty of room between your head and the jack, so there shouldn't be any problems carrying passengers because your headrests are well ahead of the jack itself.